Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is May 12th. We are looking at the chart of silver for today from the chart of the day. We can see silver breaks higher, guys. Now we can see a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the April 30th low. Okay, that's good sign because 5 is a motive sequence, motive waves. That suggests that potentially we should see further upside in silver, but since we can already count 5 waves, we should be looking for these 5 waves to complete soon. Okay, and then after that is complete, we should be getting a bigger 3-year pullback to correct this cycle of 5 waves before higher again. If you take a look at the momentum, we still see a divergence right now in the momentum. Alright, so momentum doesn't make a new high. So that does suggest that this is a wave 5. Now, suppose we continue to rally very strongly to the upside and in fact erase any divergence, right? Suppose that's happening, then actually the rally is going to become even more impulsive, and it can be counted as a 1, 2, 1, 2 if the divergence get erased. But since the divergence is still present right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remains to be the best fit on this current situation. So we should be looking for these 5 waves to complete soon and see a 3-year pullback, which because of that 5 waves you shouldn't try to sell, okay, because the direction is higher now, and instead wait for the pullback to try to find the dips in silver for the next leg up. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame now, okay, we can see that we are looking for further upside as well. So we can see we got a higher high sequence. We just recently broke above this previous peak here, and now looking for a potential of at least 92.8, which is the 100%. And if this rally is actually with 3, it can even go to 106. But this is the potential target on the upside for now. Now again, we could be doing 1, 2, 3 or doing ABC. We take a look at the daily. This is the all-time high in silver, right? We got a clear 3-year pullback here, right? So that means overall still remains a bullish market. So now is either this 3-year pullback here is a W, right? Or the correction from the all-time high completes here and now is going to continue to go to new high again. So one or the other two possible, and the other one is just completely going sideways, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth for many months and maybe years before going up again. Usually sideways movement consolidation is a bullish thing. Okay, so again, the potential here is correction over, we will go to new high, or sideways for like for many months and years before breaking higher, or another one is this double correction, WXY. Regardless, whichever the potential or the alternate is going to play out, the current short term, which is this high, is aiming for potentially at least 92.8, okay, which is the 100% extension in 3 waves. All right, so that's kind of the potential minimum expectation out of the current short-term situation, while the larger degree remains to be in the 3 possibilities that I'm telling you guys right now. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Again, we do like the upside at least to the 92.8, like I said, but this 5 waves should be complete soon and then give us a 3-year pullback before it goes higher again for silver. Okay, so if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.